Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by making chew. In a saucepan, bring 1 cup water and 1/2 cup butter to a boil with a pinch of salt. Remove from heat and stir in 1 cup flour vigorously until a smooth ball forms. Return briefly to low heat to dry the dough, then transfer to a mixer. Beat in 4 large eggs one at a time until the dough is smooth, glossy, and pipeable. Fit a pastry bag and pipe 3 5-inch logs, spacing them well. Bake at 425 degrees F for 10 minutes. Then reduce to 350 degrees F and bake another 20 minutes until hollow and golden. While shells cool, make pastry cream. Heat 2 cups milk with 1/2 cup sugar just to scalding. Do not boil. In a bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks with 1/4 cup cornstarch and 1/4 cup sugar until smooth. Temper the yolk mixture by whisking in a ladle of hot milk, then pour everything back into the saucepan and cook over medium heat until thick and bubbling. Remove from heat, stir in 2 tablespoons butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Chill the cream to about 120 degrees F or cooler. Then transfer to a piping bag for filling the Finish eclairs by preparing a simple chocolate glaze. Warm 1/3 cup heavy cream and pour over 4 ounces chopped chocolate, stirring until smooth. Stir in 1 tablespoon butter for shine. Split each cooled shell or poke 2 holes and inject pastry cream directly using a piping bag or a filling nozzle. Dip the top of each filled eclair into the warm glaze, allowing excess to drip off. Chill the glazed eclairs for 30 minutes to set the topping. Serve the eclairs within 24 hours for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.